Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We have a hadith from Imam al-Rida salamullahi alayh, the day of Hussein, Karbala. أقرح جفوننا وأذل عزيزنا. It wounded our eyes. Maybe Imam al-Rida is referring to that. We cry so much until we actually injure our eyes. Imam of our time, Ajjalallah ta'ala farajahu al-sharif, he talks to Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam and says, Ya Jaddah, la'abkiyanna alayka badal ad-dam'i dama wa la'andubannaka sabahan wa masa. Grandfather, I will cry for you instead of tears, blood, and I will mourn you day and night. This is the state of the grief. Some people wonder and ask, crying for Imam Hussein, matam for Imam Hussein. Our Imams are crying blood. They're not just beating their chest. They're mourning, they're shouting for Imam al-Hussein. The day of Hussein is a great tragedy. Di'bil al-Khuza'i cries in front of Imam al-Rida in a famous poem where among the verses he says, O Fatima, if you were there on the day of Ashura to witness what happened to your son Hussein in Karbala, you would have beaten your cheek for him. Imam al-Rida did not stop him and say, no, Ya Di'bil, you should not be saying this about my grandmother Fatima salamullahi alayha. Rather, Imam al-Rida kept quiet. Rather, he was crying, weeping to these verses. She would have beaten her cheeks. This is approved by Imam al-Rida salamullahi alayh. Mourning Imam al-Hussein is a great tragedy, a great loss.